Hello guys, good morning. Today is Friday, October 18, 2025, and I am now going to Folk Arts or Kamolan Park because I'll be having my usual routine, walking, jogging, and dancing there and doing some crazy stuff. So I'm wearing a green tri-fit shirt. Nakapang kuanday ko no. Ouch. Nakapang army attire ko, naka green ko karon para sige mo ko kaalaan nga tropa daw ko. Tropa. Pero kung pulis ug dagway sundalo unsa ba? Guard. So yeah, going na ko now. Today is kinda gloomy, medyo kaulanon siya but wala pa man no drizzling or drizzle. Drizzling and drizzle. Bantay call. Bantay siyang call nga. I almost bumped the tricycle because he's not looking, you know. I'm on the right track. Yeah, motor sa bato ko. Sorry kuya, hi tay. So bantay no. So yeah. So see you later. I'm gonna cut the video. So guys, we are now entering at Kamolan Park Folk Arts. So this is my safe haven when I do my workout routine because I really like the ambience here. It's cold, it's windy, and the track when you walk and jog it has a shade of nice shades of 3. So di ka mainit ano ako ang glowing skin, di kayo siya ma-burn, and you know halbek kita skincare mang Beke Bello bit Beke basta Beke Bello bit na skincare. Pero di pwede mo sulod. I cannot come in there. Why? Okay, there ako. So yeah, usually pag mag-jogging ko gamotor naman ko na, pero ako ang Ducati 15cc to man kang papa kaya gamit niya sa pag-duty. So nag Rolls Royce with Chanel umbrella akong gigamit ron. So I am now here at Folk Arts. So I'm gonna show you my OOTD later. So guys, here's my OOTD. I have this army green dry fit shirt. I have 2 bottles of water. This one contains Berocca or Berocca. I'm gonna open it. It has Berocca, and this one is pure distilled water. It's cold, so I'm drinking Berocca when I do my workout because it gives me some electrolytes and extra energy to fight all the evils in this world. I have alcohol to stay hygienic because I have a baby and I have to kill all the germs before I go home, and you know, before I start my workout routine. Yeah, some sort of things. I have my TikTok here. Tulong na ibilin sa TikTok, no? Doon pa. Then I have Snow Bear. Look at this, Snow Bear. My key, nandito akong key, akong money. I only brought 50 million para pang snack o niya kay gutom may mag-jogging. I usually buy taho here because lami kayang taho diri no, kung sa Folk Arts lami kayang taho diri. And I have my Roger Anchor AirPods. So gamiton ta ni kay gipalitan ba ko sa akong asawa ani para lang jud pang workout na ako. Supportive wife. Have you? Then I have this breathable cap. Yeah. Pero kita na itong gwapo kay ngalot dala, no? Then I have extra white sleeveless and what's this? Labakara. What's this? basta towel, extra towel para sa akong sweat. And I brought also 2 dumbbells. It is 4 kilograms each. So when I walk here, like 2 rounds, I bring this, carrying 8 kilograms to add my weight and to, you know, to sweat more, something like that, like this, you know. So I think I'm good to go. I'm just gonna drink my Berocca before I start. I really like Berocca. Sponsored by Berocca nino. So di pa man ta monetize, di pa man ta paid advertisement, pa tayo paid advertisement. So free running advertisement Berocca. So ako say magbayad sa inyo kasi kung may kwarta ba. So so refreshing. That's it. Kung mainom mag Berocca, ang iyong urine is grabe ka yellow because yellow ang Berocca akong ginagamit. Is the flavor is orange and mango. So we're good to go. I'm gonna show you my full OOTD there, no? Pang Ironman ni siya. Yo, I have breathable cap. Yeah, that's it. Claro. Because I think it's against the light. Here. Neon. Army dry fit shirt with neon green Nike shoes, black short. Okay. With Roger. But you know, also I just do the dancing here. I am more dancing than jogging. Let's go. Nakapangkuan ko, no? Meron ko trainee sa criminology, but actually to give some insight, or what's this, trivia, way back 2022, what's this? I just cut that video. So guys, gihangak na ko, wala pa 1 round. Because I think a month na ako ka-walk and jog because malagi busy kayo. When I go home after work, 7 p.m. na, and I'm tired. I cannot go to the Capitol for walking. So, sige po ulan ka gabi moto nga wala ko na maintain. Nakakalapod ko. But still, fighting yapon ta. So, to go back, no, I'll give you some insight about kanang gakalaan ko og tropa, or yeah, when you say tropa, it's either police ka or sundalo, no? Way back when we're in Cagayan, we enter in the terminal, no, sa Agura. Ningon ang guards ako nga, tropa ka sir? Ay dili sir, kanang kuan ko sir, sister. No sir, I'm not tropa. Because of my build, dago kog lawas, isa ra akong ab. Mura po siguro si Godicelli, no? Ako lang ang army man, so medyo na ako pagka Mateo Godicelli nga look siguro Mateo kay reservist man na si Mateo Godicelli and Gerald Anderson, no, mga mga level siguro mo nagkakalaan ta yeah. So way back 2022 at Bukidnon State University Quezon campus. Bago pa ko ito na-hire, 2020 man ako nakasulod sa Bukso, no? So, nagpalit ko sa tindahan at bang sa Bukso. Paniod to or coffee akong gibay or pamahaw. I cannot recall, but nagpalit ko. Then I have this kind of haircut like this, or medyo mubo ato akong hair. Kanang pang army cut siya ba? Flex na ako ang pinakagis-kagis na. So, ako nga, te, may buntag, magpalit ko kuante, sudan dayon kape. So nga, ay, sir, may buntag anong, bago na day ang guard ya ron? So ako, ha? Nanak ko, sir. Sorry, sir. So naalaan ko guard, no, mga guys. So nagkatawa ko, ako tubag, like, ko natukan ba? Siguro, ano siguro siya mga gwapo nga guard, so lawat na po na ako ito nga, alaan ta gwapo nga guard. Naraan niyo siguro ito guard, my goodness. But still, it's a funny experience. Moto si Sir Marlon Labado, gagard. Gagard yung tawag sa ko. Because of that, gusto na ako siya gagard. Alaan ko guard. So, he's calling me guard until now. So that's the story of our gagard. Was this endearment. So yeah. Walking. Oh yeah. So that's the history of gagard nga tawagan na mo ni Sir Marlon. Shout out Sir Marlon. Ma'am Ninfa. Yeah. Woo! So flex ako ang alot no kanang gwapo day kadag alot. The best kaya akong barber sa Quezon, no? Pag during Christmas break and summer break, pag summer break 2 months among break ana. Usually as much as possible magpalot ko sa Quezon. Di ko gapalot sa Manaybalay because siya yun ang barbero ang makakuha sa ako ang pinaka ganahan nga alot no kanang pang Aldrin Richards, pang Piolo Pascual, Daniel Padilla nga look kanang Nasyona Inler Never Hotel to Pair. Muna tao no. Abi nagbuang ko dali. So yeah. Kanang pang James Reid bitaw kanang I'm gonna post it in the front door until I post it. Yeah, so nice get this a focus guys. Look at that. It's so greenish. Basta kay green surrounding. It will what's this? It will help you lower your stress, and due to this green surroundings, no, by science, it can help you stimulate good hormones and good mood. Yeah, based on the surroundings, the color green. So healthy kayong surroundings na color green. Now, green and blue. Based on science na, that's factual, not just bluffing. I'm not bluffing here. Yeah, bluffing. So here, now you have this. They call this Tulugan. I think Talaandig and Bukidnon ni siya nga tribe. I'm not sure, wala man ilang label. So they're building mga guest house sa mga tribe, no, sa 7 tribes of Bukidnon. So para complete duha pa man ang naadira. Padapoy tulugan pa dito. They call that Tulugan something, I'm not really sure. So yeah, so maroon ni siya, no, walk lang, talk, jog, and I dance here because I really love here. It's so cold. It's so colded. Yeah, flex. And shout out to Kuya Lloyd the Omar for this gift from Dubai ni siya, no, because abroad gikan man sa Dubai si Kuya Lloyd. He went here last year and we had a good time at Misty Mountain Resort Peak somewhere sa Misty. Nagregalo siya sa mga kalo. So I chose this because I love walking and jogging. It's a breathable cap, no? Yeah, that's it. See you later, alligator. Modern Park. This is the Malaybalay Zoo, no? Barato ra kayang entrance dira, pero mahal ang exit. Char lang. On Monday, no, close sila sa Monday, but the rest of the days open sila. So guys, I'm done here now at Kamolan Folk Arts. I just had 3 rounds of walking. No jogging muna because my legs might cramp, you know. Basig mo cramp siya ba sakit ba kaya nas magtag. But I had a lot of dancing here. No, masington mo ko magsayaw kaysa magbaklay or magjogging. So, yeah. I'm going home. Pahit ko sa kong asawag sudan pero ito. Solid ako. Okay? Order to kuan. Mag-order ko sa Wolfgang. Na Wolfgang naman ito ma-afford. Cost cutting man ito Wolfgang. Let's go. Hey. The sound of the Kamolan River.
I know I made my mark, and I would still choose you through it all. That's the crazy part, crazy part. I don't need no more empty promises. Promise me that you got it. I don't need roses, just need some flowers from my garden. Can't you go back to how you loved on me when you started? I'll be here begging for you. You should be giving me love.